Hello, hi, this is Nasrin. Today I'm going to show you the nail polish. This one, like the name is OPI. This is very good nail polish. This nail polish is salon use. This is like one of good quality nail polish. It will like long last on your nail, and whenever you put on your nail, like very like silver, all of them good quality nail polish. And this is the nail polish dryer. It's really like very worthful. Whenever you put nail polish, sometimes it takes like long time to dry. So whenever you put this nail polish dryer, and right away you will see your nail dry like salon does. Sometimes whenever we go to salon and we have to put like after they put nail polish, we have to wait for the dry. So this one work as same. So I will put the link below and you can order. So this is, all of them are same brand, very good quality nail polish. And this one is the nail polish dryer. Whenever you put this nail polish, you don't need to go to salon, and you will save your time. And this is this dryer. Whenever you use this, so like easier to handle your nails. Sometimes after we put nail polish, we have to wait until it dry, and that times like sometimes we feel like annoyed. And if mistakenly we just don't wait enough time, it will mess up the nail and it will so like annoy us. So this is the solution. We can put this nail polish dryer and you don't have to wait longer. It will make your life much easier. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know how you think in the comment section.